Welcome to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This video explains how to reset a forgotten password of a Windows instance without terminating the instance. Before resetting the password, do a full backup of a Windows instance boot volume first. Please check the video description for the links. Create an Ubuntu instance in the same compartment and the same subnet as your Windows instance. I have already created a Ubuntu instance for this video. So now to detach a boot volume, go to the navigation menu, click on Compute, then Instances, select the compartment and click on the Windows instance, and then click the Stop to power up the Windows instance. Let's wait for the instance status change to stop the status. Now click on Boot Volume under the Resource section, select the boot volume and click on the Action menu. Click on Detach Boot Volume and then click Detach Boot Volume on the pop-up window. Let's wait for the boot volume status to change to detached status. Now, attach Windows Server boot volume to the Ubuntu instance. So that, go to the navigation menu, click on Ubuntu instance, then click on Attach boot volume under the Resources section. Click on Attach boot volume and then select the Windows boot volume that we want to restore. Then select attachment type as is iSCSI and access type as read and write, and click on Attach and close the pop-up window. Wait for the attachment status change to attached, and then click on Action menu and click iSCSI commands and information. Here under the Linux, copy connect command and paste in the notepad or any editor. Now log into Linux instance using SSH. Run the copy iSCSI command from the notepad and paste it. Validate the partition layout. Now run sudo sfdisk space -l /dev /sdb. Check the interface volume for common problems. Run sudo ntfsfix space /dev /sdb4. Here, SDB4 contains Microsoft OS basic data. Sometimes the disk number varies, so you need to choose disk name accordingly, like SDB1, 2, or 3. Mount Windows partition now. So first create a mount directory by command sudo space mkdir space -p space /media /windows. Now to mount a partition, run command sudo space mount space /dv /sdb4 space /media /windows. Now update the Ubuntu OS, run command sudo space apt space update. To install chntpw, run sudo space apt space install space chntpw. Now use chntpw to reset OPC password. Run chntpw command. Here enter 1 to clear the user password. Now enter to be sure the user is unlocked. Next enter Q to quit and then enter Y to save. Now edit the registry setting to allow blank password. Run chntpw space -e /media /windows system32 /config /system. Then cd to LSA directory and then ed to limit blank password use. Then enter 0x0. Then enter Q to quit and then enter Y to write to files. Now unmount the Windows file system. Run sudo umount space /media /windows. Now to verify, run df-th. Now to detach the block volume which was attached in the earlier step, go to the attached block volumes and then select volume and then click on the action menu and then click on iSCSI command and information under the Linux. Click the copy disconnect command and run the iSCSI disconnect command in the Ubuntu OS terminal. To verify the disconnection, run command lsblk. To detach the boot volume from Ubuntu recovery instance, go to attach block volumes and then select volume and then click on action menu, and then click on detach, and then click on detach volume. After the volume is detached, attach that boot volume back to the Windows instance. So go to the navigation menu, click on compute instances, and then select the Windows instance for which password reset is required. And then go to the boot volume in the resource section and click on action menu, and then click attach boot volume. Then in the pop-up window, click attach boot volume. Wait for the boot volume to be in attached status. And then start the Windows instance now by clicking on start. Now let's take RDP to the Windows instance. Since the Windows instance is in running state, you will be able to log in without password, as you can see here. Now let's set up a new password. Go to the control panel, then user accounts, and then click on user accounts, and then click on manage another account. Then select OPC user, click on create password, give the desired password 2 times, and then click on create password. Now edit the registry. After you recover the system and set the password, click on the search and then type registry edit, means regedit, to open the registry editor. Now set the limit blank password use key to 1, log out, and advance disconnect the RDP connection and connect again to validate the password login. All the reference documentation links are mentioned in this video description. Thank you for watching.